Welcome to another episode of 𝐥𝐤𝐤 from here. So, quick stop off before the Blue Mountains at the Westend Cafe, and then we're very excited to be spending the day at the Blue Mountains in New South Wales. Aren't we, Chels?
Yeah.
First, I gotta eat. Both super hungry from the long drive and yeah, big breakfast and hash brown stacks on the way, and coffee. Strong coffee. Ah, the eggs are delicious. Mushrooms. Okay. This is where they get their good ratings. Not on the coffee, the food. And it is good. Very good. How's the hash brown stack?
Fresh.
Fresh?
So fresh.
Food defeated us today. I'm gonna have to take away a bit of it, aren't we? There's lunch. It's a good problem to have when they give you too much food. I like this. Westend Cafe. The food was spectacular. Coffee dropped the ball a bit compared to my snobby Melbourne palate, but the food was good, wasn't it? A lot too. So you come here, you want to be hungry. It's a terrible time for a road trip. Those fuel prices are insane, but I need adventure. So our first stop is the South Lawson circular walking track. An easy track, 4 waterfalls. Let's see what they're like.
You can hold. Let's go.
We're going to take little Betty with us for this hike.
Come here.
Walk. I think it's quite easy.
Our army.
We just bought her a new harness. Oh, Betty. She hates it. She totally hates it. But we do want to keep her, so it must be done. You ready to go, Betty? Yeah? You ready? I'll take that as a yes. You ready to go, Betty? Betty? Come on, Betty. Like walks. Betty? Come on, is it really that bad? You can stay in there now, Betty. No walkies. I think both of us win. That was brutal. That was brutal. You hear that? Sounds like a waterfall. Wow, the first of 4 waterfalls on the South Junction loop. Pretty impressive. The beauty of raining. Yeah, it's starting strong, starting very strong. Let's go see the rest. Like all seasons, I'm sure in different conditions it's a very different experience, but wet, not wet, this is outstanding. Just shy of the Junction Falls. Why wouldn't I stop here? Have a look at this. Here it is, the Junction Falls. This loop, these waterfalls here at the Blue Mountains, this really is something else. Chelsea's now having a dip. I may regret it later, but I have to be honest, that was totally, totally worth it. All right, you ready to go? So good. Even without the waterfalls, it's such a stunning walk through just lush green rainforest. It's an absolute delight. The Federal Falls. This walk does not stop delivering. How are you feeling now?
Has to be done.
Had to be done. I've trained her well. Or maybe she trained me. Gets very steep very fast. Oh my god, they keep coming. That is steep. We have one more waterfall on this incredible trail, the Cataract Falls. To be honest, even standalone, all of these waterfalls have been truly something else. Incredible. Here we go, the last one, Cataract Falls. It's not a bad waterfall, but as a finisher and compared to the others, my expectations have been through the roof. One more try. Yes. there we have it. What an incredible waterfall experience. It's possibly the best waterfall walk I've ever done, and literally have just started the Blue Mountains here.
Bigger than our bathroom shower head.
Just a little bit bigger, yeah. I could do with a waterfall shower every day, actually.
Set up a waterfall in our backyard.
Yeah, it's a good idea. I like it in our one-bedroom apartment. Wait a minute. That wasn't the Cataract Falls at all. Looks like we're still on here. Okay, looks like we're going to be impressed again. The Cataract Falls. The real Cataract Falls. Wow. Still swimming by the 5th waterfall. There's no words anymore. What's that, baby? Ah, never gets old. Before we go, what have we got up here? Oh my God, wow. Looks like with the Cataract Falls, you can literally cruise right behind the waterfall. Hey, what are you doing here?
Downhill from here.
Ah, she's the best. So there we have it, now it's official. We've seen all the waterfalls. And I gotta say, I am impressed. Blue Mountains. If you're only just getting started, it's gonna be a hell of a show. I can't believe it. Just on the way out.
thanks so much for watching. I don't really know what I can say to wrap this up. I mean, you saw the waterfalls. It's unbelievable. These 5 waterfalls all blew me away, and this was my first sighting inside the Blue Mountains. So I really just can't wait to see what I'm in for.